Imagine getting paid thousands without showing your face, without filming a single video, and without ever stepping in front of a camera. Sounds impossible, right? Wrong. It's happening right now. And the people cashing in aren't even real, they're AI micro-influencers. Digital humans. Perfect smiles. Perfect captions. Perfect feeds. And brands are paying them real money. Big money. Thousands per campaign. Every single month. And here's the kicker, you can copy them. Today. With tools you already have access to. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Because I'm about to break it down. Step by step. And you'll realize, you don't need followers. You don't need fame. You don't even need a personal brand, you just need the system. So let me ask, what if you had a digital twin? That worked 24/7. Looked flawless. Never got tired. Never asked for payment. And pulled in brand deals while you slept? Sounds wild? Let me show you how. First, brands don't care if you're real, they care about reach. They care about niche. They care about consistency. That's it. Influencers check all three boxes. They post daily. They target specific audiences. And they never burn out. That's why brands love them. And why money keeps flowing their way. Here's the trick. Start small. Don't aim to be a celebrity influencer. Go micro. Find a tiny, profitable niche. Fitness. Travel. Fashion. Even pets. Create an AI character for that niche. And automate the content. Want proof? Look up Lil Miquela. She's an AI influencer. Millions of followers. And brand deals with Calvin Klein. If she can do it, so can you. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now, how do you build one? Start with an AI avatar generator. Tools like HeyGen or Soul Machines. They give you lifelike digital humans. Next, use AI copy tools. To write captions. To craft stories. To sound natural. Then, schedule posts with automation. No stress. No burnout. Just consistency. And consistency is king. Still wondering how the money flows? Brands pay per post. Or per campaign. Or per product mention. Even small influencers pull $500 to $1,000. Imagine stacking 5 of those deals a month. $5,000. For content your AI twin made. And you didn't lift a finger. Now let's go deeper. How do you stand out? Pick a story. Every influencer has one. Ones need one too. Is your digital twin a fitness coach? A fashion model? A travel blogger? Give them a voice. A mission. A style. Then stick with it. People don't follow perfection. They follow stories. And stories sell. Here's the blueprint. Step 1. Pick a niche. Step 2. Create the avatar. Step 3. Write the persona. Step 4. Automate the posts. Step 5. Reach out to brands. Simple. But powerful. Question is, will you act on it? Or watch others take your spot? Because right now, this space is wide open. Barely anyone knows it exists. But that won't last. Early movers win. Always. That's why I'm telling you this today. before the crowd shows up. Think about it. AI is the future. And influencers are the new billboards. Combine them, and you get the perfect money machine. And yes, this works globally. No matter where you live. No matter your accent. No matter your background. AI doesn't discriminate. It just works. And the results? Scalable. Repeatable. Predictable. That's why smart creators are diving in. And they're not looking back. Let me ask you, how many AI influencers will exist 2 years from now? Hundreds? Thousands? Millions? Probably millions. But here's the edge, you're early. Like crypto in 2012, early. Or YouTube in 2007, early. That's your advantage. Don't waste it. Build your AI influencer now. Even if it's small. Even if it's just practice. Because practice becomes income. And income becomes freedom. That's the end goal, right? Freedom. More time. More options. Less stress. And AI is the bridge. Let's zoom back to strategy. After building your avatar, focus on outreach. Brands aren't going to magically appear. You have to pitch. Send DMs. Send emails. Show them your content. Show them your audience. Show them your consistency. And watch the replies roll in. It's a numbers game. Reach out to 50. Land 5. That's enough. And with AI, scaling is easy. You can manage 2, 3, 5 influencers at once. All automated. All earning. All working for you. Think about that for a second. Multiple influencers. Across multiple niches. All running on autopilot. While you sleep. While you travel. While you live your life. That's the dream. But it's not just a dream. It's real. And it's here. Right now. The only thing missing is you. So what's stopping you? Tech? Tools? Fear? Excuses? All solved today. Because I've shown you the roadmap. And at the end, I'll reveal the exact tool that paid me $100. So stick around. Here's one last secret. Brands love micro-influencers more than mega ones. Why? Higher engagement. More trust. Cheaper deals. It's the perfect balance. That's why going micro works better than aiming huge. Remember that. Micro wins. Consistency wins. Story wins. And AI makes it all possible. That's your formula. Write it down. Use it. Then scale it. Now, about that $100 tool. It's Pictory AI. The same platform I'm using to make this video. It turns scripts into videos. In minutes. No camera. No editing. No stress. And it works. My first AI influencer video, made with Pictory, landed me a $100 deal. From a small brand. That's proof. Proof it works. Proof this is real. Proof you can do it too. And if you're ready, subscribe right now. Hit the bell button. Because tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.